Hello, I am Elena and welcome to another sewing tutorial. Today we're gonna sew a cami top. This sewing pattern consists of two pieces, a top and the shorts. I will leave a link below for the pattern and also for the sewing video tutorial of the shorts. Are you ready? Let's start! Fold the straps in the middle and sew. Then use a loop turner to turn inside out. Fold and sew the chest dart. I prefer to hand comb the ending rather than backstitch. Pin and sew the side seams. Assemble the facing as well. Starting from the front part, place the straps and then the facing. Remember that the right sides of the fabric should facing each other inside. Pin and turn on the back part. Again, place the straps first. Make sure they are straight and not twisted. And then place the facing. Make sure it is straight as well. Pin, and before you sew, check the length of the straps because it may need adjustment to fit perfectly. Double fold the hem, press and sew. As always, after finishing a sewing project, press well and your cami top is ready to wear. Enjoy!